Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to use the Wix booking system. The Wix booking system is a powerful tool that allows you to manage appointments and bookings for your business. To get started, you will need to have a Wix website and the Wix Bookings app installed. First, navigate to the Wix dashboard and click on the Apps tab. Here you will find the Wix Bookings app. Click on it to open the Bookings dashboard. The Bookings dashboard is where you will manage all your bookings and appointments. To create a booking service, click on the Services tab and then click on the Add Service button. Enter the details of your service, including the name, description, and price. You can also add images and set the duration of the service. Next, you will need to set your availability. To do this, click on the Calendar tab and set your working hours. You can also set specific dates and times when you are unavailable. To add a booking form to your website, click on the Settings tab and then click on the Booking Form button. Customize the booking form to fit your needs and then click on the Add to Site button. This will add the booking form to your website, allowing customers to book your services. Once a customer books a service, you will receive a notification and the booking will be added to your bookings dashboard. From here, you can manage the booking, send reminders, and even take payments. To take payments, you will need to connect a payment provider to your Wix Bookings account. To do this, click on the Payments tab and follow the instructions to connect your payment provider. Best practices for using the Wix booking system include setting clear availability and service descriptions, sending reminders to customers, and keeping your bookings dashboard up to date. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively use the Wix booking system to manage your appointments and bookings.